We're going out now, so we woke up at like 6 o'clock. Well, I was up since like 2, and we got up at like 6 and we're going now, and it's just 5 to 7, so we're going into the park so we can go into Harry Potter and all early before the park opens, so that's what we're gonna do. So excited. We just got pancakes and bacon. We're just gonna share it because we're not that hungry yet, because it's mad early, and then we'll get some else later.
And the portion is huge.
Yeah, they're huge pancakes. But this is the diner. I'm actually gonna do like a full tour, so I'm not gonna show too much of the hotel because I'll do a video separate on that. But yeah, then we're gonna go out and go to the park now. Look at the sunrise. So nice. We're going to get the bus now, and you just walk outside and go down here. Oh my god, I actually can't believe I'm here. Coolest place ever. And then there's these cars outside. This is the bus we go on, and just brings you to the park, and it's literally 5 minutes away, and it's a 50s themed bus as well. This is what it looks like, and they put really funny music on as well. We're here now and we're just walking into Universal. We just went through the security thing and we're going in. That's like a mini golf monster yoke. Look how cool it is. Seriously. So this brings us into City Walk, where you can go in even if you don't have a ticket, and it's just restaurants and shops and all, and then you can go either right or left to either Islands of Adventure or Universal Studios. Yeah, I'm so excited! Look how empty it is as well, because we're allowed in for opens. There's loads of food places up there. This is only new. It's like a sports place that does dinners and all. Or dinners, does food. Look, there's the ball. So good. Look, it's the ball. I keep saying the ball, I mean the world. Look at the size of that screen.
Nothing on your telly?
Yeah, he is. He's like, well, Mike, that's
And there's Islands of Adventure over there. Whatever night, so.
like literally gonna kill him. Yeah, like 80 years old. It looks like it would be so good.
So this is the entrance into the studios, and Dean is all the way up there. But yeah, this is the studios entrance, and then the other part of the park is on the other side. Sorry, yeah, that man that like was checking us in with our tickets was like about 90, and he was from a place called Sandwich. Funny. Sandwich! Look at this, a squirrel eating a chicken wing. I'm right up at him as well, and he doesn't even care. Oh my god, he's so cute! Transformers.
Oh my god, this time up.
Here, we have to go this way. Oh, Halloween stuff as well. No, you don't. You go around here, look. Oh, Dean, there's that bar that they were saying to go into. off the Gringotts ride, and it's literally so good. Like, oh my god. So we're gonna go over to the other park now on the Hogwarts Express to go to the other rides before the park opens, and then we'll come back here later. It's such a nice day today as well. Look at the boats. King's Cross. All the shops are, well, these shops are kind of connected, so we're going into Sugar Plums now.
What's new?
Don't know. Oh, you can get stuff there.
I'm not gonna buy anything.
Oh my god, it's cold.
We did pretty good. What we got, Amy. Yeah, I think so.
Chocolate one.
If you're thinking about payment for Christmas, it's a long way away. Right. Yeah.
It's like a camera, isn't it?
That's the Leaky Cauldron. They're selling pumpkin juice as well.
Is it actual pumpkin juice?
I don't know. For the kid in their cloak. We're in Nocturne Alley now. It looks like there's a sky up there.
And she comes up at night to tell it so. With a red tucked underneath her arm, she walks the bloody town.
Walking on boats, beach or whatever.
Look at it. Scones. Oh my god, remember that?
Puffsy correct?
Hey, let me see.
Remember what?
That.
What was that for?
Don't know, I just remember from something.
Look how that.